Hello, in this video I will show you how to use my latest plugin, WebMinePool Virtual Crypto Farm plugin for WordPress. So to get started, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate to zip file, download it, click Install Now. After the installation, activate the plugin and go to Plugin Settings. Here you will note that the plugin requires a WebMinePool public key. Click here to get one. Sign up or sign into your account, and click Add New Key to create a new key. Copy the site key, paste it here, copy the private key and paste it here. Don't bother using these keys because I will remove them after the video is finished. Now we can go ahead and save plugin settings. Now the plugin is ready to work on our blog. If we check, then we can see that the pop-up is already visible. If we check the processor, you can see that my screen recording software that is running right now is taking away quite a bit of it, so it's not idle, but no problem. Let's start the mining. Let's see what happens now. If we increase threads, the processor usage is full. If we stop it, it's back again to normal because I run a screen recorder. Okay, so here we have some plugin settings. We can automatically start mining on page load. Let's see how this works. If we refresh our page, mining automatically starts. Okay. Also start mining in WordPress admin. If you want to start mining also in WordPress admin, check this checkbox. Detect device battery and stop mining when on battery. This is a very cool feature. Let me show you. Let's refresh our page. As you can see, mining automatically starts. Let's increase the thread count for the processor to be more visible. Now I will unplug my charger from my battery, from my laptop. I will plug it back in. So as you can see, when I plugged it back in, it automatically started mining. I will unplug it now. And I will plug it back in. So mining is stopped when device goes on battery and is automatically resumed when the device goes on power. So this will help not drain battery for users that use only batteries on their devices. Okay, you can disable mining on mobile. You can copy WebMinePool JavaScript locally. This will help not detect the JavaScript as a threat by antivirus software or by ad blockers. This WebMinePool can be detected by some antivirus software as a malware because some users use it without warning. So if you use it without a warning message, you might be detected as a threat. Default threat for desktop mobile, default throttle for desktop mobile. These are the numbers that are shown here and with which the plugin starts when the page loads. Force legacy ASM GS minor. This is a legacy compatibility option. I don't recommend to check this. You can log each user's hash count and run the miner only for logged in or only for not logged in users. from now on, we can see settings for notification settings. You can disable notification or show notification, and you can also change how the notification looks. Let's say I want to switch to bottom right pop-up, and notification change to bottom right. Let's say I want to go full pop-up now in the middle. Okay. Also, if you check this checkbox, you will have some advanced CSS configuration options for the pop-up that you can change. If you know CSS, this will be helpful for you. Also, you can change the message that is displayed in the pop-up. These are shortcodes. The shortcodes will be replaced by buttons or input fields. Let's see throttle input. The throttle input will be this input field. The thread input will be this input field, and the start stop button will be this button, and so on. Possible shortcodes are these: more info button, close button, threads input, hashes per second, and hashes total are these numbers that change automatically. This is hashes per second shortcode, and this is hashes total. You can change the hide button text, the more info button text, the more info button link, where it links. You can fade background and automatically hide pop-up after a predefined delay. Let's see this in action. So after 5 seconds, the pop-up should disappear automatically, and it disappeared. Okay. Disable pop-up for logged users. Cookie lifetime in minutes. I will explain this in a bit. User pop-up shortcode refresh interval. This will define how often the hashes per second and the total number of hashes will be refreshed automatically. So I'll show you right now this. So this will be refreshed as often as you define here. Notice that these are milliseconds, so 1000 is 1 second. So the refresh rate is 0.5 seconds right now. Okay. You can have some styling options here. How to disappear the pop-up, how to make the pop-up disappear. No animation, slide or fade. Right now it's fading. Let's see how it is when it's sliding. It's slided up. Text padding, background style, background color. Also you can solid color, transparent or image. You can set the background image. Let's change the pop-up color, the pop-up text, the link color. I put in some random colors right now. Border color, pop-up corners, show buttons in place of links, button color, border color, font size, font type, bold, italic, underline. Banner sticks to its initial position, custom CSS. Let's see what we have made to the pop-up. I don't think it looks good right now, but this is fully customizable. Because these colors, I don't like these colors. This is why I don't think that it looks right now good, but you can change this. Okay. Also, you can show only once per visitor. This, if you check this, then the pop-up will be shown only once per visitor. And after the cookie lifetime in minutes, it will be shown again. So if you check this checkbox, show only once per visitor, and define here 60 minutes, the pop-up will be shown only once per hour to a visitor. Okay. Also, you have a minor shortcode. Let's see also this in action. For this, I will add a new post. This shortcode can be added anywhere, not only in posts. Let's see how it looks. This is our pop-up and this is our shortcode. So this is the shortcode. You can start mining or stop mining with it. And also the plugin has another shortcode, show pop-up again. This shortcode can generate a link that when clicked it will force the pop-up to be shown again. If you have this checkbox checked and the pop-up should not be displayed again for the visitor, you can display a link, let's say show pop-up again text, and if the visitor clicks that link, he will be shown the pop-up again. Okay, so these are the main plugin settings. Also, the plugin has an activity and logging section. Here you can restore plugin default settings and delete logs. The plugin has a logging feature. Here you will see only errors if some happen, but generally this will be empty. Okay, so this is the plugin. I hope you will enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye.